Hello everyone, I'm Stephen Gage, founder of Vision Commercial Development. Today I'm going to talk to you about the top 8 real estate investing mistakes that beginner investors make and how to avoid those. Let's get started. The first mistake many new investors make is not investing enough time in research and planning. Before you even think about purchasing a property, you need to clearly define your investment goals and strategies. You should have an understanding of the local market conditions, evaluate the property's historical performance, assess its current condition, and determine its potential for growth. Asking the right questions early on, such as the property's potential ROI, the demographics of the area, and local economic factors, will give you the knowledge to make informed investment decisions. The second mistake is underestimating the financial requirements needed for a successful investment. Many beginners fail to account for all the associated costs, including initial purchase fees, ongoing maintenance, property taxes, and unexpected repairs. It's crucial to secure sufficient financing to cover these costs and to maintain a cash reserve. Over-leveraging yourself can lead to financial strain, so ensure that you have a robust financial plan in place, complete with contingency funds for unforeseen expenses. Mistake number 3 is overpaying for a property. It's easy to let emotions get in the way, especially after a long search or a competitive bidding war. However, paying too much can hinder your profit margin from the very beginning. It's important to always perform a thorough financial analysis, include potential renovation costs, and negotiate assertively. Understanding the true value of a property and sticking to your budget will prevent overpayment and help maintain your investment's profitability. The fourth common mistake is poor property management. Some investors think that once they purchase a property, the hard work is over. However, effective property management is crucial for maintaining the property's value and ensuring reliable rental income. Effective property management includes selecting the right tenants through rigorous screening processes, maintaining the property, and managing tenant relationships professionally. Good management practices will enhance tenant retention, and ensure that your property performs well financially. For the fifth mistake, I want to talk about neglecting proper risk management strategies. Real estate investing involves inherent risks such as market fluctuations, tenant issues, or unexpected major repairs. To safeguard your investments, it's essential to have comprehensive insurance coverage, diversify your investment portfolio, and prepare for worst-case scenarios. A solid risk management plan allows you to handle setbacks more effectively and ensure the longevity of your investments. The sixth mistake that I see from beginner investors is that they tend to make decisions with their emotions and not with data. Real estate investments should be driven by logical, data-backed decisions, not emotions. Whether you're feeling pressured to make a quick purchase or falling in love with a property that doesn't meet your investment criteria, it's important to remain objective. Always let the numbers guide you, and be willing to walk away if a deal doesn't stack up financially. The seventh mistake is trying to do everything alone. Successful real estate investing requires a team of experienced professionals who can offer expertise and guidance. This team should include a real estate agent, a mortgage broker, a lawyer, an accountant, and a property manager. Each plays a critical role in different stages of the investment process. Collaborating with experts not only helps in making informed decisions, but it also alleviates the workload, allowing you to focus on strategy and growth. The last mistake that I see is investors failing to stay educated and adaptable. The real estate industry is dynamic, with constant changes in law, market conditions, and technology. It's important to engage in continuous learning through courses, seminars, and networking, and adapting to new information and market trends. Real estate changes over time. So does its strategies and the economics behind it. These are the top 8 mistakes beginner real estate investors make. By understanding and avoiding these errors, you'll be better positioned to succeed in your real estate ventures. Remember, knowledge is power, and careful planning is the key to profitable investing. If you're interested in commercial real estate investing and don't want to do it alone, our company, Vision Commercial Development, is always on the lookout for new investors who want to participate in groundbreaking projects. If you want to start working with a team today or looking for more resources for real estate investing, head over to visioncommercialdevelopment.com and let's chat about new and fun, exciting investment opportunities that we might potentially work on together. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more commercial real estate content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.